Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this super cute headband wig from Nadula hair. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Alright you guys, so the hair comes in this cute black box that says Nadula on the front, and it also has some hair care tips in the back. Now Nadula Hair is a hair vendor on Amazon, so they offer affordable hair that comes to you super quick because you know Amazon got that 2-day shipping, okay? So of course in the packaging we have the headband wig itself along with the headband. We got a headband wig grip as well, so we're going to be trying that out later on. So this is what it looks like. We also have a pair of lashes in the box, which is super cute because your girl likes lashes. So shout out to Nadula for sending your girl some lashes, and they look pretty cute as well. So I'll definitely be trying these out very soon. And we also have another headband in the box, so they gave us 2 headbands to work with. This one is white with like a gray floral design, and we also got the red one that has a floral design on it as well. And of course we got some wig caps because they're always sending wig caps. I have a million wig caps at this point in time, but they send you some wig caps. And then they also sent a little thank you card talking about their company and saying thank you for your purchase. So Nadula Hair was kind enough to send this wig over to me, so shout out to them for sponsoring this video. But this is what their card looks like when you make a purchase. So we're gonna go ahead and put on the wig grip band, and this band is pretty much just to help your wig stay in place so that it doesn't slide back or slide in any weird directions. Wherever you put your wig, it'll stay there for the whole day. So that is what this wig grip is for, which is also available on their Amazon store. So I will have all the information linked down below for you guys. So I'm pretty much just gonna line up the lace part where my part is. This would work really well for headband wigs as well as frontals or closure wigs because it does have that little lace section where your part would be, and of course you would just put it wherever your parting is. So if your parting was off to the side, you just move it over. So that is how it goes on, and it just has Velcro in the back. So now we are ready to put on our wig, and this is what the hair is looking like. It is 14 inches of their Brazilian body wave. The hair is so soft, it had no weird smells or anything, and I do love a body wave hair texture because it's just cute and easy breezy, light curls, very cute. Now of course this is a headband wig, so the hair obviously comes with the headband part. It also comes with 2 combs, one at the top and one at the back, and of course on the end of the headband it has the 2 Velcro straps for you to secure it. So we're gonna go ahead and install the wig. So I'm just taking the combs and I'm fixing it in the top of my hair over the wig band grip, and then I'm also going to tuck the back of the combs underneath the headband grip so that none of the headband grip is exposed. So I'm just gonna put the comb in the back there, and then I'm gonna take the 2 Velcro straps and I'm gonna just adjust the wig so that it fits comfortably on my head. I will say that this wig is big head friendly because I got a big head and it fits very comfortably on my head. I did not get no wig headache or anything like that, and with the Velcro straps you're also able to make it as tight or as loose as you want, so I love that. It is very big girl head friendly. So this is what the hair is looking like. It is actually really cute, you guys. It's just giving easy breezy, everyday, effortless hair. Like, I love the length. I love the shoulder length hair. It is so cute. I'm a sucker for short hair, to be honest. I really love short hair. So this is perfect. It is right up my alley. It's the perfect everyday wig. You just throw it on and go. It's very pretty. I'm here just trying to comb up some of the curls just so they're a little bit looser, and I just think the hair is so cute. Like, it's just so easy breezy, and of course you can fix your edges however you want. If you want to do your swoops and waves and curls and all them baby hair stuff, you definitely can. And this hair is also very versatile. You can part the hair however you want it. You can give it a no part look, you can give it a deep side part look, whatever you want. It is super cute, but I love the middle part look. So this is what the hair just looks like right out of the box. It is super cute, and you guys, this hair is so full. Love this hair. So we're gonna try on the red headband that is actually really cute. It's a very rich red color that I love. So we're just gonna go ahead and put the headband on, and I like to kind of fold the banded part of the wig just so it's not so thick, so you don't see a lot of the black. So I just kind of fold it up so that the headband can cover it all the way. The headband part is pretty thick, so you just have to push it back if you don't want it to show. So this is what the red headband looks like. Super cute, absolutely love it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try the white headband on, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I love the white headband wig more than the red one. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because of the outfit that I was wearing or what, but I just loved the way that the white one looked. It was just super cute. So I'm just adjusting it so that it fits over the black banded part of the wig so that you can't see it. And this is what it looks like. It is so cute. It's just so cute and effortless. I absolutely love it. So easy to just put on and go. So I'm going to be showing you guys a few styles that you can rock with your headband wig. So for the first style, you're going to need a little like butterfly clip or like a clamp clip, whatever you call them. And I'm pretty much just going to pin some of the hair back just up out of my face. It's almost like a half up, half down, but it's like a half pushed back, half down kind of style. And then I like to have some hair over on the sides, and this is what this style looks like. It is so cute, very formal, very cute for if you're like going to church, if you're going to work. It is just so nice. Absolutely love it. Super cute. Okay, so for the next style, you're going to need a hair scrunchie, and I'm going to be doing my infamous half up, half down hairstyle. So first thing, I'm going to be making a high ponytail with the top portion of my hair. So I am just fixing the amount of hair that I want to be at the top and making sure I have enough hair at the bottom, because I like for the bottoms to still have a full curly look. So I just take as much hair as I want for the top, and then I'm just gonna secure it with my hair scrunchie. And I like to just tighten my ponytail up at the top of my head because I just like the style it gives when it's closer to the top. And this is what this style looks like. Of course, it is my favorite style to rock with these headband wigs just because it's super cute, it's just so easy, and it's a classic hairstyle. All right, so the next style I'm going to be showing you guys is a everyday bun. Okay, we're bringing the buns back. So I'm just going to catch up all of the hair, all of the hair, all of the hair, all of the hair, and we are going to secure it with a hair scrunchie. And as you can see, as I pulled up my hair, some of the band is showing, but once I finish securing the ponytail, I'm going to go back and adjust the headband so that you don't see any of the black headband showing. So then I just secured the ends of the hair with that same jaw clip that I used in the first hairstyle, and I adjusted the headband so you can't see it. And this is this super cute bun look. Super cute, easy breezy for working out and running errands. So the next hairstyle I'm going to be showing you guys, you're going to need 2 rubber bands, and I'm just going to be making 2 small ponytails at the top of my hair. So you're just going to take one section off to the side with just a little bit of hair. You don't need a lot of hair, and you're just going to secure it with the rubber band, and then we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side as well. Now, of course, for this hairstyle, you can take as much hair as you want or as little hair as you want. I like when the ponytails are on the smaller side, so I didn't take as much hair. But of course, you could customize this style to your liking. But I just like how it looks with the 2 small ponytails. And I think this is just so cute, very playful, and very girly. So like I said before, this hair is so versatile. You can style it in so many different ways, but of course, just the way it looks fresh out of the package is my favorite style. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and drop me a comment and let me know for feeling this hair. I'll have all the specs down below for you guys in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video.